Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a Python script which will actually take the screenshot of a Google map, and you will actually enter the location, which location you want to take the screenshot. And it will use Selenium library, which is an automation library inside the browser. It will open the browser in the background, it will take the screenshot and save it as an image file. So quite a number of things this Python script does. So now let's suppose I execute this Python script. So python app.py. So it asks you to enter the address. So here you can enter your address. So let me just write I say Delhi and then India. And then now what happens, you will see the browser will open in the background, and it will go to this URL, and it will take the screenshot and save it inside your machine. You will see PNG image is, so you can see it has taken the screenshot of this Delhi address. You will see the photo is also there alongside with the information about this address. We see the overall map as well. And let me remove this option of headless. Once again, if I execute this Python script, now let's suppose I enter any other address. So you will see the browser will open, it will navigate to Google Maps and take the screenshot and close automatically. So I am not doing anything, it is automatically doing this everything for me. So you can see everything, it has gone to that specific address that I mentioned, open the URL, taken the screenshot and close. So this is actually the Python script. And first of all, you need this module, which is Selenium. Simply install this. And so command is very simple, just search for this, simply execute this by using pip install Selenium. So after installing it, now let me show you the script here. The full script is given in the description of this video. So first of all, you need to require the necessary packages. So let me import all the necessary packages. So in this way you can import this packages, and then we will ask the user to specify which address they want to take the screenshot. So using the input function, we will say enter the address, and then we will basically call the custom function which will take the screenshot, pass the address input. So here we just need to define this function. So address input it takes as an argument, and also we can pass the second argument, which will be the output file which will be generated. So let me call this, give it an initial value of map.png. So here we just need to again set up the default options for Selenium. So these options actually tell Selenium how to set up your application. So headless is actually the option where you can't see the browser window opening, everything will be in the background. Then we set the window size 1280 by 720. So these are normal options. Then we initialize the driver, web driver Chrome, and we initialize these options. After that we write the code in try catch block. So here we specify the address input, we replace it by plus, and then we construct the URL that will be opened in the browser automatically. So like this, http google.com/maps/place/query. So whatever address that you mention, it will go to that address automatically. And now we just need to open this URL. So for opening this URL, we call this method driver.get, pass the URL, and then we just need to sleep for 5 seconds. So it will pause on that web page for 5 seconds, it will take the screenshot. So now for taking the screenshot, We find this element. Again, we write the code in try block here like this. We click on that, and then we need to take the screenshot. For taking the screenshot inside Selenium, we have this function save screenshot, and we specify the location where we need to save the screenshot. After that, we can simply print out that your screenshot has been saved, so like this. And after that, we need to finally quit the driver, so driver.quit. So this is actually the script here, and if I launch this application, once again you will see it will ask you the location. So let me fill out any sort of location. So once again, in the background the browser will open, take the screenshot, and automatically close. Your file will be created map.png. If you open this file here, you will see the actual screenshot of that Google map at that specific location. We see the picture of that place. We see small little description, the temperature, everything you can see inside this Google map. So this is a really useful application because you can actually take the screenshot of a Google map at a specific location. And the nice thing is that we are not using any sort of API, not any sort of API key. This method is completely free, and you can do this method unlimited number of times, so there is no such restriction. And also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.